So here we have the video with the vertical clinging and leaping, and it's going to take me a moment to click over to exactly kind of where it starts here. This is a longer video that I do highly encourage you to watch. It's called Lemurs with John Cleese. You can see it on YouTube if you just search for it. But what you're going to see here and what you're seeing in this part of the video is that vertical clinging and leaping being done by a group of lemurs called Shafoks in Madagascar. So you can see that vertical body posture here, how they're all holding on to the sides in a more vertical stance. They're climbing up. And in a minute, you're going to see one of these guys take a side leap. Here you go. So you can see how the body turned in midair, the feet come first, and then the arms come up later. And so that turning in midair, feet spread, and the connection. So these guys can really jump quite a distance when they want to. So again, this is that vertical clinging and leaping. The second one that I want to show you is that suspension. So this is actually a really kind of funny video, so I'm going to go ahead and let this one play, but it's showing that suspension with this gibbon here. So what's going on is that this is in a reserve, and these two tiger cubs have kind of invaded the territory of this gibbon who just kind of came down and whacked him. So as you can see, the arm over arm locomotion, that's the suspension that we were talking about. And we see that primarily in our little apes, but we will see it in chimpanzees, we will see it in orangutans, although they will use their legs to a higher extent than the gibbon does here. So I'll just let this play. So what you're going to see here now is you're actually going to see that their arms are actually so long that they kind of have to walk bipedally when they're on the ground. They just can't quite really walk quadrupedally. And that's something that we see both with these guys who are suspensory. They'll use a specialized form of quadrupedalism when they can use quadrupedalism. But that we also see with our vertical clingers and leapers, where their legs are so long that they can't walk quadrupedally, so they do a kind of hop thing sideways, which if you choose to watch that lemurs video, you'll see that within that video. But so you are able to really see the suspension in this, as well as kind of a little bit of fun with the gibbon having a good time taunting the tiger cubs there. But that is definitively suspension.